What's happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. You already know I love Corvettes. We once again gonna do a driving impression of a C7 Corvette, this time with an automatic transmission. And shout out to my guy Eric Wade. He's been on this channel before. Eric, I appreciate this opportunity for letting me drive your newest toy that you have. But hey, you always wanted a Corvette and now you have it.
C7 is so well refined.
Yes, it is.
Overall package wise.
Yes, it is. Driving a C7 during this evening on the highway, going about what 70 miles an hour on the highway. This car is so comfortable. I see yours is equipped with the Z51 package, Eric, but obviously this don't have the mad ride. But even without the mad ride, it still rides comfortably. Yeah,
it does.
So they knew what they was doing when they developed this chassis, when they went for a clean slate, being the last front engine rear wheel drive Corvette ever made. I remember it was 11-12 years ago when these came out. I was in high school when these came out, seen the 2014 model year, and then I watched the entire progression of this car, and here it is now. Now we fast forward to the current C8.
Yeah.
And I also driven that car too. It was a big departure from this car, but I still love how these front engine cars, Corvettes, always have been, because of to me these are more fun. That's just my opinion though.
Well, you drove that C8, and as far as balance goes, do you feel there's any difference balance wise?
Oh, this is a significant balance change, even though the more the weight's in the back, you know, since the engine's in the back fully now, but that helped the rear tires get more traction since it's weighted down. Okay. Versus this is light on its toes if you're not careful. Even the Stingray, like, this car, if you're not careful, it sneak up on you, have a tendency to snap oversteer when you least expect it. Versus the C8, I ain't getting none of that.
Yeah.
Yo, Eric, thank you so much for letting me drive your car tonight. As you can see, you put a smile on my face, sir.
What we want.
Oh my goodness. I mean, you can't go wrong driving a C7 Corvette, especially with an XP automatic. And y'all remember this car? I had once featured it on the channel. It's still around. Still looking glorious. But that's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.